Yo guys, back here with another video. This is Rod the Drawer, and today I'm gonna be customizing a custom shirt. I have a Cricut, my sister. So yeah, I'm gonna use her Cricut today. You know, customize a shirt, merch coming out. This is a prototype, just to see how it will look. Alright guys, first step to this, we'll have my logo on the shirt. So what I'm gonna do first is make my logo on this app online called Pixlr, and then I'm gonna like put it on the vinyl. After I put it on the vinyl, it stencils out the vinyl, and then I put my logo on the shirt. I'm not gonna do any more talking, let's just get into it. Also, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget, now we're at my computer, and now it's time to get into, you know, designing the logo for Rod the Drawer, because I haven't had a logo to like represent my actual brand. So like, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm really looking forward to that. Hope you are too. Let's get into design the logo. So now I created an account, so now browsing for an image.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact.
So guys, I just cut out my little stencil. That was nice. That was pretty nice. I'm very impressed with this. You can't see it right now, but like I'm gonna pick it out and you're gonna see it. Use like a scalpel, get this out. But yeah, let's get to that. So guys, this thing is actually like really sharp. Like I don't why it make it so sharp? Like, jeez, look at this. Get that. You can like really take somebody out with this, but we're gonna use it for the right reason. I literally just dropped this on the ground, but I think it'll be alright. But yeah, here's a stencil, Rod the Drawer, you know, because you know this is my channel. Now it's time to honor on the shirt. I got my shirt right here. I have the shirt right here, and I have my little print on here. Rod the Drawer. It came out pretty well. So guys, if you found this video helpful in any type of way, or you enjoyed it, leave a like, or you know, subscribe if you really want to, you know, come on a journey to 500 with me and my craftiness. If you subscribe, I'll be very appreciative. Yeah, I'm out. Bye.